I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is WPFunnel. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to WPFunnel Dashboard. Click on Edit. Now click on 3 dots in the top right corner. Then click on Webhook. Add webhook. Give a name. And paste here the webhook URL. Select Request Method. Select Request Format. Select Webhook Event. Then click on Save. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Action Perfex CRM. Give here an Access API URL and API token. So go to Perfex CRM Dashboard. API CRM Manager. Copy the API URL. And paste it here. Then go to API Management. New token. Give here a meaningful name and expiration date. Give all the permission by checking the box. Envier. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Choose a customer. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Perfex CRM site and go to the customer. Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the Perfex CRM site. Thanks for watching.